To set the file app to open.mts files in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select personalize. Next, click on Tab Apps, and then select the file apps. Scroll down the screen, find Films and TV, and then tap Films and TV. Scroll down the screen, find .mts. Next, tap .mts default app, and then select app you want to set as default to open .mts files. For example, Films and TV, and then tap OK. Now Films and TV set as default app to open .mts file. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.